What's the most entitled customer you've ever dealt with? I was working as a barista at a local coffee shop when this lady came in right at closing time. She marched up to the counter with her designer purse swinging and demanded a complicated frappuccino with extra everything, despite our machines already being cleaned. When I politely explained we were closed, she screamed, "Do you know who I am?" I didn't, and apparently that was the wrong answer. She started recording me with her phone, threatening to destroy this place on social media unless I personally stayed late to make her drink. My manager, who was counting the register, walked over and said the same thing I did. We're closed. This lady then threw her empty tumbler at him, barely missing his head. She started knocking items off our counter, yelling that she pays our salaries and we should be grateful for her business. The twist? Our security cameras caught everything, including her slapping her own face before running outside screaming that she'd been assaulted. She filed a police report claiming my manager attacked her. 2 days later, she returned with a smug look, saying the cops would arrest us soon. That's when my manager played the full security footage on our TV screen, showing her entire meltdown. The color drained from her face. Turns out she'd pulled this exact scam at 3 other businesses, getting free stuff and even settlements. The police were already building a case against her for false reports. She's now banned from every coffee shop in our district, and her social media influencer page disappeared overnight.